Welcome to the world of online learning. We at GK Online Learning Tutorial provides its subscribers the topics from software engineering, project management, quality management, strategic management, mathematics and other topics. Today's topic is mathematics. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for continuous support.
NCERT CBSE Class 10 Maths Part 3 Euclid's Division Lemma. The first mathematician who brought a new outlook for the study of geometry is Euclid. Euclid's division lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove other statements in the branch of mathematics. The basis of Euclidean division algorithm is Euclid's division lemma. To calculate the highest common factor, that is HCF, of two positive integers x and y, Euclid's division algorithm is used. HCF is also called highest common factor, is the largest number which exactly divides two or more positive integers. By dividing both the integers x and y, the remainder is 0. So the theorem of Euclid's division lemma states that for a and b, any two positive integer, we can always find unique integer q and r such that a equal to bq plus r, where r less than or equal to 0, that is 0 less than or equal to r less than b. That is, the value r remainder can be either 0 or it should be less than b, where a is called dividend, b is called divider, q is called quotient, r is called the remainder. If remainder r equal to 0, then the value b is the divisor of a. So with respect to this theorem, with respect to this equation, let us solve some problem in order to find the HCF, that is the highest common factor. Let us start with the first example. Find the HCF of 4052 and 12576. So according to Euclidean division lemma, a equal to bq plus r, and r, the value of r will be less than or equal to 0 or less than b. So what is a? A is called the dividend, b is called divisor, q is called quotient, and r is called the remainder. So according to Euclid's division lemma, if r equal to 0, if the value r equal to 0, we can tell that b is the divisor of a. So according to this, let us discuss the first question. Find the HCF of 4052, 12576. Since 12576 is greater than 4052, we will divide this with this value. So 12576 divided by 4052, 3 times. So that is 6, 5, 1, 12. We'll get 0, 2, 4. So how it can be written? 12,576 equal to 4052 into 3 plus 420. Since this is not equal to 0, we will continue the procedure until we get the remainder 0. So next step, 4052, which is equal to 420 into, that is 4052 divided by 420, which becomes 9 times 0, 8, remainder 1, 37, which is equal to 2, that is 7, 2, 272. So 420 into 9 plus 272. Here also the remainder not equal to 0. Again 420 equal to 272 into 420 divided by 272. Only one time, 272, 8, 4, 1. So into 1 plus 148. Again not equal to 0. So 272 equals 148 into 272, 148. One time, 148, 4, 6, 2, 124, 1 plus 124. Again 148 equal to 124 into, so 148, 124, one time 124, it will be 4, 2, 1 plus 24. Again 124 equal to 24 into, so 124, 24, 5 times, 5 times 0, 120, 120, remainder 4. So here 5 times, remainder 4. Again, so 24 equals 4 into 6 plus 0. Now we got the value 0. So when the remainder equal to 0, we know that B is the divisor. So therefore we can write HCF of 4052, 12,576 equal to 4 as the HCF.
If you are having any queries, please write to me. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.